woke up. Hey guys. Dude, literally my sister was not answering my call. Alright guys, I'm about to tell y'all the story. Oh, we went muddying. Yeah, we went muddying and we literally got stuck. Like, we got stuck for like 30 minutes. Ooh, I wasn't supposed to tell my mom that. Hopefully my mom isn't on the line. Oh, she's right here. I'm live. Hey, bitch. Hey, bitch.
Gavin, you don't need to your goggles?
We're having the baby. We do. Bitch, you look so good. Bitch, I love you.
Goggles are right here. Look.
Besos. Dami. Fuck you, you stole Desiree from me. Come here, Mama. Look.
Are you on live?
Yeah. Look at the puppy. Look at the puppy. Oh, look at the other puppy.
Chewy's the cutest.
No, he's not. This one.
Chewy, don't get sad. Tell him you're cute.
You're not. Remy, why do you try to leave me?
Oh, Remy, y'all look alike.
No, we don't. I look like Bella.
Y'all look like this.
It's like it's like fucking half. I have like 13 siblings and like most of them are brothers.
You got a sister right here.
No, she doesn't swim. And you said that the golden doodles were
Golden
supposed to
Doodles
swim.
love water. She's just scared. She doesn't trust.
Come here, Mama.
You got another sister right there.
No, this is a mom.
There's another brother.
This is a rat. This is a rat.
Yeah.
This is a rat, right? Come on. Come on. Mom, did you see the bird Cleo had last night? Did Bianca show you? Oh my god, it was huge. And Cleo was like eating and Cleo was like eating it. And then Remy tried eating it. Hi, Delilah. I'm waiting for my sister. We have 13 siblings. Huh? I have like 13 human siblings.
So 7 of them are going to LA with you.
Yeah. I love you, Kaylee. Fucking half. I have like 13 siblings and fucking half. I have like 13 siblings and
Tell them her name.
Stop it. It's not even tight. What are your favorite colors? Red and pink. Post a screenshot, ready? Girl, you need to say something for my 3 months. When's your 3 months? Besos! Besos!
Gavin.
Besos!
Gavin.
Besos! 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 You have a pool in my backyard? Yes. Oh, I thought that was my sister. Pose again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my! Good night.